how to integrate Slack with monday.com. So first go to your dashboard here, then just choose your workspace and then just click on your board. Okay, now just click on integrate here at the top and look for Slack. So click on this one and then use any of the templates here that you want to use to integrate to Slack. Okay, so let's say I want to use this template. Just click on use template, then click on connect. After that, just click on allow. Okay, now let's just wait for this to load. Okay, now once that's done, just customize this, set it up, the template. So I'll just type in whatever here. Notify, done, channel, all Slack. Okay, then just click on create automation. Okay, now just make sure that this is on and you're done. Just to see if you're connected, just click here and click on connections. As you can see, now you're connected to Slack and you have an automation. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.